Okay, this is our EAS system. It's AM. This type of assistance we install the number 002's motherboard. And such as this type of systems, we do not no need software, only need a screwdriver to help us to make adjustment. Now in front of your site, you can see our motherboard, and this is line 1, line 2. As line 1 means this, if lighting, it means it is suffer from the influence from the label or tag. As light 2 means if lighting it shows us the surrounding has suffered from the other disturb except label or a tag. This number 2, it means the anti-shift interference in EAS system. The smallest number is the 0. And we can turn up to 9. The smallest number and the highest are the sensitivity. Our factory model is number 2. So please do not adjust this model if no special requirements. Everything from the run alarming, you could use the screwdriver to help you do adjustment according to the reflect on the lights or on the motherboard, and such as so firstly we talk about the volume, how to turn up or turn down the volumes, and we get a tag to close the systems and use a screwdriver. So clockwise is turn up the volume, and we turn down the volume. So anti-clockwise direction, turn down the volume. Now we turn up again. That's very easy. Okay. For this screw, we marked number 1. For adjust the anti-interference. So when you under following situation, you should try to adjust the screw number 1 when EAS gate alarming, but there is no EAS tag or label passing through EAS gate. Moreover, you have tried to move the surrounding electric equipment 2 meters away from the EAS gate, but it still doesn't work, and the EAS gate still alarm. So under this situation, please use a screwdriver to remote the screw number 1 at clockwise directions, and keep the number after EAS gate do not alarm. For this instance, when you adjust the number number 4 and the EAS gate do not alarm. So please keep and give up going on adjustment. If the number turn up more, it will affect the detecting distance. So the best and the most number is number 2. And the otherwise you could do the number 4 is enough. Now we turn back number 2. So now okay, so under the screw number 1 we have number 2, number 3 and number 4. Number 2, and under the following situation you should try to adjust the screw number 2 when this lighting and you could and then alarming, you could try to use the screwdriver at the anti-clockwise. Now the light is disappeared, so we're not alarming. So in the same, this light, if lighting and alarming, and please use the screwdriver to rotate at the anti-clockwise, and until the lights disappear. So this type of EAS system and motherboards is have a high efficient on the detecting and high interference performance, and easily to adjustment for people who have no knowledge about this EAS system. You just have about 30 minutes to learn, to master, to the adjustment. Thank you.